Hi, my name is Daimond Narzary and I am from Chirang district. Presently, I am taking coaching at Sainakia IAS Academy at New Delhi, which is an initiative taken by our BTR government. So I sincerely would like to thank our Honorable CEM Sri Pramod Boroji for taking this novel initiative and sending us to Delhi for this coaching. Right now, what I have found here after coming here, the facilities, the faculties provided here at Sainakia IAS Academy is really excellent. Apart from coaching, timely orientation program as well as guidance program is conducted. Every Saturday, weekly test is also conducted. After meeting new friends, I have found here that the environment is very conducive for UPS preparation. Thank you.